In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to generate n8n AI automations using Claude Code. And no, it's not using the n8n MCP. I'm going to walk you through step by step, so even if you have never built anything with Claude Code before, you'll be able to follow along. All right, I don't want to waste too much of your time. Let's jump right into the video. All right, so first of all, you need to make sure you're downloading the Claude AI desktop app. So make sure you go to claude.ai, log into your account, download the desktop app. Once you download the desktop app, it's gonna look something like this, right? So this is where you will come in. Obviously, if you're on the chat, you have to click on Cowork and Code here, right? These are the different tabs that are available now. You got to make sure you're on the Pro plan at least. I don't think you don't need the max plan. Max plan is like $100 an hour. I mean, $100 a month, which is a lot. I have the max plan because I use Claude Code a lot, but for you, a Pro plan is sufficient. Okay, so you're going to come to Claude Code here. So first thing is you need to make sure you're creating a folder, because we need to be able to give this a reference folder, because it's going to save all of the relevant files to your folder there. So I've just created a Claude Code on my desktop. Feel free to do the same thing. You're going to leave the local as it is. All right. So now, obviously, there's multiple ways to connect n8n to Claude Code. I'm going to focus on the easiest method, in my opinion, which is done through the API. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can connect your n8n API to Claude Code. So that way, when you're building a workflow, you'll be able to basically just you write this one simple line at the end of your description of whatever you're trying to build, and Claude Code will actually automatically ask you for the n8n API and your URL. So if you don't have a n8n, obviously go ahead and click on the description, create a free account. And once you do that, of course, this is just a blank workflow. If I go to my home, these are all of the workflows that I already have. Of course, yours is going to look different. But I just want you to pay attention. The latest one, for instance, is this AI home renovation video generator that I was talking about, that I will actually mention in this video as well. But anyway, so that was the latest one. And if I can actually go back and refresh the page, so you can see exactly that's the latest one that I have. The reason I'm showing this is because when we create the new one via this method, via the API, you'll see that Claude Code will automatically create this for me. All right, so now once you do that, so we're going to go back to our Claude Code here. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to type in a prompt for a sample workflow that we're going to generate. This is going to be basically a combination of a voice agent in the front end and the back end automation for n8n. The reason why I'm showing you this is because this is a really practical example of how a very complex automation could be created in n8n in the back end, and also with a third party, with another app as well. And in this case, this could be a retail AI. So I'm just going to go ahead and type this prompt. All right, so I just said build a real voice scheduling system using retail AI plus n8n for a plumber, right? Just some kind of example. The agent should greet the caller, blah, 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 check availability, use real functions called via n8n, not mock. So the function should be check availability. And I'm saying create, this is very, very important right here. Create the n8n workflow via the n8n API. Do not output a JSON file. Now, this is very important, because if you don't mention this, what Claude Code is going to do is it's actually going to create the JSON file for you, where then you have to go ahead and like import that and export it and import it in your n8n. And that's a manual step, right? The reason why we're saying this is because we want to be able to connect this directly with our API, so we can skip that part and it can generate this automatically. So let's go ahead. I'm going to enter this and you'll see exactly what happens next. So now Claude Code is going to look at that prompt, and now it's going to ask us the question, which is basically connecting this via the API. The great thing is I don't have to do anything. It's just going to ask me. There you go. So now it's saying, what is your retail AI API, right? So it's going to ask me about retail AI. I said I have it already, and this is the second part. What is your n8n instance URL and API key? So this is where we'll be able to connect it to our n8n. So I'm just going to say I'm using my cloud n8n, so feel free to use that. If you're using self-hosted, then select that. I'm going to use cloud, so I'm going to click on that. This one I can just skip because that's the unnecessary, and then same thing, skip that part, because I also mentioned at the bottom to use Gmail and Slack as well. So anyways, there you go. So now it's asking the user question. Now, please provide me with the actual credentials I need. Retail AI API key, right? n8n cloud URL, n8n API key, from settings API key. So the way to do this is basically we're going to first of all provide it the n8n cloud URL. So I'm just going to copy this, paste it here, and I'm going to go ahead here. Now, to provide our cloud URL, you're going to go back to your n8n, and your cloud URL is basically, let me bring this down a little bit, is basically this URL right here. So I'm just going to copy this instead of this home and workflows. I'm just going to skip that part, go back to my Claude Code, and I'm going to paste this. Okay. And then the second part is going to be the n8n API key. So I'm going to copy this. Oops. I messed that up. I shouldn't have done that. Let me copy the key. Let me bring this up so that way I don't do this twice. Okay. There you go. So now let's go ahead and copy and paste our API key. So for those of you who don't know how to grab your APIs, you're going to go back to your n8n. So let me put this back up there. There you go. You're going to click on your settings here on the bottom left-hand corner, and then you're going to click on n8n API. Now, once you do that, so this is going to bring up this API right here. This is where, if you don't have an API yet, what you can do is just literally click on create an API key, and you can just name it something. So I'm just going to say YouTube. I'm going to delete this, but make sure you guys are not sharing your API keys with anyone. That's very important. So if you're going to use this API key for a while, you can just say no expirations, or you can choose something like that. So I'm just going to click on save, and now it provides you the API, and all you have to do is click to copy. That's it. It's literally that simple. So I'm going to go back, paste this. There you go. And I'm just going to say skip the retail for now. Just build the n8n workflow. Okay. I'm going to press enter. So now, hopefully you'll be able to skip that part, because I want to show you exactly what the n8n part looks like. There you go. I'll build the complete n8n workflow for the plumber scheduling system. Let me first check what's available in your n8n instance. So now this is going to go ahead and check your n8n and make sure that you're allowing Claude to run this command. I'm just going to say always allow for this project, since this is local. So now if we go back to our n8n instance, and I'm going to go back to the home workflow here, you'll see again, if I refresh the page, the last one is this AI home renovation video generator that I'm going to show you a little bit, because this is really cool. Actually, it's another feature of Claude Code that's very efficient as far as building n8n automations. Okay, so this is the latest one. Now you'll see, once Claude Code is done, then I'm going to come back and refresh the page here, and you'll see that it'll automatically generate a workflow for me. Again, me not touching anything, me not doing anything at all. So let's go ahead and allow this. And by the way, if you want to have Claude Code not ask you each time, instead of ask, you can always click on this and say code or plan, so that way it keeps moving forward there. All right, so there you go. So it says good. I can see you have existing workflows. Now let me check the credentials available, blah, blah. It's going to go through, and it says, let me create the complex workflow. I'll build a single workflow with multiple webhook triggers, and it has all of this plans for these different workflows that it's going to build for me, right? So that's what I was talking about earlier as far as how this makes things extremely efficient. Of course, it's not going to be perfect, right? It's going to build 80% of it for you, but you still need to have that knowledge to be able to know exactly how this works. And which leads me, by the way, if you're new to n8n, or if you want to learn about Claude Code, check out the community link. It's going to be in the description. And if you're interested about starting your AI agency, we have an entire AI agency track with n8n and all these amazing tools that are in the market. If you want to build real automations for clients, check out the community. But anyways, so let's go ahead and go back to our n8n here. Go to Claude Code. It's still doing its job. All right, so after a good 40 to 50 seconds, it created everything. Looks like everything is done. It says plumber scheduling system created successfully, right? And it shows you all of the different planning tasks that it completed. So now in the bottom, it actually gives you open your workflow at. It literally gives you the link right here. Or like I said, I wanted to make sure that I show you guys by refreshing the page here. So now if I refresh the page, I should have my other workflow there. Let me refresh the page here. And perfect. As you can see right here, plumber scheduling system, retail AI. If I click on this, look at that. Absolutely incredible. And by the way, this is a very complicated workflow, because we're connecting a voice agent from the front end to the back. I already did a video on this, a step-by-step video on this, which was basically building a voice agent for a HVAC company. So check that out if you're interested, which basically, it can check calendar, appointments, and it can book appointments. It can also have these ways to send Slack message for emergency and email for non-emergency. Again, very efficient and easy way to do this. As you can see, it added the Gmail calendar. I didn't have to touch any of this. All of this is done automatically. It generated this code here to check availability calendar, and then also this webhook integration, right? And same thing, it automatically publishes it as well, because obviously Claude Code is going to build live workflows, especially if it's getting connected to a third-party application. So as you can see, absolutely easiest way to do this. Now, another quick trick here, if you're not aware, is for Claude Code, you can actually give it a reference JSON file if you want to kind of change something. So for instance, I generated this home renovation workflow, and let me show you what I did. This is really cool. So if I go to so what I did was I went to my classroom section, I downloaded this advanced one. So this is, I created this tutorial a while ago. This was adding these AI UGC ads. So if I go to the bottom and download this blueprint, and then go to my n8n again, so I could show you exactly what this looks like. So if I go back here, yeah, that's fine. Create a new workflow. I'm gonna upload this. Okay, so this is what this looks like. I mean, this is a very complicated workflow, but what I did was I copied this and I told Claude Code that, hey, take this. So if I go to the top here, I went through a couple iterations here. All right, there you go, right here. As you can see, I said you can use this as a reference to generate. So this was basically the JSON file for that long form UGC content. And I said to create these home renovation videos, right? So it actually used that as a reference. I mean, this is a long reference file. As you can see right here, it kind of went through and ran into a few issues that I had to kind of go back and forth with it. But at the end, it actually fixed it and generated this workflow right here based on this as a reference. If I go here, I'll show you exactly. There you go, this home renovation generator video, right? So, I mean, of course, it's not formatted very well, but as you can see, it's a very complicated workflow, and I gave it a reference and I tested it. It actually worked really well because look, this is what it generated. And this is using file.ai, VO 3.1 and Nano Banana. So if I play this, so as you can see, this is like that really popular kind of home renovation TikToks and Instagram reels that you can see. So I basically, again, at the end, it didn't do a really good job of like doing the final step, but just from simple prompts, the fact that it can take a reference video, a reference JSON file as complicated as this long form UGC is. And again, this is a very complicated build because it has multiple layers of workflow, like creating the image in Nano Banana and then creating the intro video, the continuation video, and creating the third video, right? And then combining them with FFmpeg. So this is a very complex like workflow that I had Claude reference, but then of course it just basically was able to take that and listen to my instructions just by prompting. And because I had it directly integration with my API, it just went ahead and created the workflow for me. Again, of course, I had to like go inside and add my credentials, but 90%, 95% of the stuff was done on its own. So absolutely incredible. I mean, gone are the days of kind of putting node by node together to create n8n workflows and automations. It's absolutely amazing what Claude Code can do. And you know, we're definitely in the age of agentic workflows where now we can just talk to Claude and have it basically build everything for us, whether it's n8n automations or connecting n8n to something like a retail or a voice AI, which is able to generate incredible systems for us to whether it's for businesses or for our own personal use case. So check it out. Hopefully you found that video. Make sure you like and subscribe. And of course, if you're interested in joining the community, link is going to be in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.